Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the Fere Fit watch and readying your phone. This avoids interrupts. Once the watch displays pairing mode, open the Fere Fit app and sign in or create an account because the device links to your profile for data sync. Make sure Bluetooth and location are enabled in phone settings. The app typically prompts for permissions. Accept those so the app can discover the watch. Once you see a device name listed, tap it to initiate the secure pairing handshake and follow on-screen prompts. After initiating pairing, the app may show a numeric code or confirmation prompt. Verify that the code on the watch matches the app, then accept to complete the Bluetooth bond. This secures the connection. Once paired, allow notification and health data access so calls, messages, and tracked workouts appear on the watch. Configure basic settings like units, time zone, watch face, and daily goals. These personalize tracking and ensure readings match your expectations. Make sure firmware updates are applied if off. Finish by forcing a manual sync to confirm steps worked. Open the app and pull to refresh or use the sync button so the watch sends today's data. If syncing fails, reboot both phone and watch and reopen the app. This clears transient Bluetooth issues. Make sure the app has background activity permission so continuous sync operates. If nothing resolves the problem, unpair and repair the device. Use a factory reset on the watch only as a last resort because it erases stored activity and settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.